Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. Question number 1. Which of the following statement is correct? In Indian numeration system, the number 81532 is written using commas. This. No, we can't write this because in the Indian numeral system, three places are in the ones place only. Then there are two places. But here it is three places. Option A is rejected. Option B. Numerals having more than two factors are called composite numbers. Yes. Option C. The numbers 8,929 rounded off to its nearest 100 is 9,000. No. Last two digit is 29, which is below 50. So it should be 8,900. It is also wrong. Option B is the correct answer. First answer is option B. Question number 2. The smallest 5-digit number with different digits are. It is not written different digits should be from the natural number or from the whole number. So if it is not written, so we can take the whole number of the digits. It means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the smallest 5-digit digits. We have to make the smallest 5-digit. So since I have written till 4 only. Since I have written 0 in the first place, so it means it is the 4-digit only. To make it 5-digit, it should be 1, 0, 2, 3, 4. Option C is the correct answer. Second answer is option C. Okay. Come to the question number 3. 10 billion is equal to millions, millions and crores. We have to check in Indian system as well as in the international system, because in the option millions are also mentioned and there is option B and C also. To write first 10 billion. To write first 10 billion, we will start ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million and billion and then 10 billion. Okay. Now check how many million it is. How many million it is? So, period, thousands period, and then it is million period. So 10,000 million. Yes, it is in the option number B. Now we have to check as the crore. So ones period, thousands period, lakh period, and then crore period. 1,000 crores. Option C is the correct answer. That means option B and C both. Third answer will be option D. Question number 4. Population of Kanpur and Lucknow district in the year 2011 was this and this respectively. What was the total population of the two districts in the last that year? In the two district in that year, it means we have to add it. So to add it, first write the numbers 4, 5, 7, 2, 9, 5, 1 and then 4, 5, 8, 8. 4, 5, 8, 8, 4, 5, 5. 4, 5, 5. Add both the number. 5 plus 1, 6, 5, 5, 10, carry 1, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 4, 14, carry 1, 11, carry 1, 8 plus 7 15 plus 1 16 carry 1 11 carry 1 plus 9. Okay, where it is 9161406. It is in the option number C. The fourth answer will be option C. Okay. Question 5. Which one of the following pair is not co-prime number? So what are co-prime numbers? Co-prime numbers are those numbers whose common factor is only 1. Whose common factor is only 1. So in 21, 22, all the consecutive numbers are the co-prime number. Consecutive number, co-prime number. So this is co-prime number. 32, 33, co-prime number. 11 and 14. 11 is the prime and 14 is the composite. Co-prime number. 21, 24. Let me check with 21, 24. 21 has the factors 3 and 24 is 3 also. So yes, it has more common factors. Other than 1, they have other common factors. Option D is not a co-prime number. Fifth answer should be D. Come to question number 5. 6. The sum of the prime factors of 1155 is. How to find the prime factors? 1155. Factorize it with the prime numbers only. So 5, we can divide it with 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, and then 8 1s are 5. Now it can be divided by 3. 3 7s are 21 and 3 7s are 21. Again it can be divided by 7. So 7 11s are 11. 1s are 11. So prime factors are 5 plus 3 plus 11 plus 7. Okay, so 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 11, 19, 19 plus 7, 26. The sixth answer will be option D. 6. Okay, come to the question number 7. A number is divisible by 3 and 12. The number may not be, means if the number is divisible by 3 and 12, so which number should not be divisible by this 2? So 3 is the factor of 12. 3 is the factor of 12. We have to just find the number which is not divisible by 12. So 12 5s are 60, it is divisible, and 450. 450 divided by 12. 3s are 36. 15 minus 6, 9, and then 0, 0. 12 sevens are 84, and we got 6 as the remainder. Option B cannot be divided by 12, so it cannot be divided by 3 also. It can be divided by 3, but it cannot be divided by 12. So option B is the number which cannot be divisible by both the number. That's why option B is the answer. 7th. Okay, come to the question number 8. The number nearest to this, which is exactly divisible by this. Any number is divisible by different numbers. It can be only possible when that given number is divisible by the LCM of those numbers. So first we should find the LCM of 11, 13, 15, 17 and 18. Are the common number? Common number is 3 here for 15 and 18 only. 11 will be as it is, 13 will be as it is, 3 5s are 15, 7 as it is, and then 3 6s are 18. Is there any common factor? I think no. LCM should be 3 multiply 11 multiply 13 multiply 5 multiply 17 multiply 6. And if you check it, if you multiply these numbers, 3 multiply 11 multiply 13 multiply 5 multiply 17 multiply 6, answer will be 2 1 218790. 218790. You can do it in your notebook. Okay. Now we should divide 7 and there are 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with 2,18,790. We can divide it in the 2 lakh. 2 lakh it is, and here we have 7 lakh. So 2 threes are. If we multiply it with 3, it will be more or less. Multiply by 3. When we multiply 218790 multiply by 3, so it will be 656370. 656370. 656370. These are 656370. 0 is here, and then 10 minus 7, 3, 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 6, 3, 9 minus 5, 4, 0. Remainder is 43,630. And they are asking the nearest. The first number can be 6,56,370, and second number can be the sum of 7 lakhs and the difference of this two. So 218,790 minus 43630. How much it is? You just do it in your notebook. 218,790 minus 43630. So you will get 175160. 175160. If we add this number with the 7 lakh, then that number will be also divisible. Okay. So now the second number will be equal to 7 lakh plus this. This is 8 lakh 75,160. Both number are available in the option. So what should be the answer? So we will take which is more closer to 7 lakh. 6,56,370 is more closer, or 8,75,160 is more closer. So we can see the more closer is 6,56,370. So that's why option A is the correct answer. Eighth answer will be 8. How can we find the number nearest to that? So first, in the step 1, we have find the LCM of the given numbers, and then take the LCM as the divisor and divide the number. The number which is as the remainder. When you get the remainder, subtract it from the divisor and add the difference with the dividend. That number will be also divisible by all the given numbers, and the number which is the last one, or you can just find by removing the remainder also from the dividend. The number which you just subtract from the remainder, if you subtract from the dividend, then the number you obtained, that number will be also divisible by the given set of numbers. Okay. So here we have to choose the nearest one. That's why option A is the answer. Question number 9. This number is divisible by 11. Then the digit star is. So what is the divisibility rule of 11? Divisibility rule of 11 is the number at the odd places and number at the even places. The difference between these two should be 0 or it should be the multiple of 11. So first write the number here. 3, 7, 5, 8, 9, 2, 5 and star. Okay. Now decide the places. Okay. This is the odd places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At odd numbers to 3 plus 5 plus 9 plus 5 equal to 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 9, 17, 17 plus 5, 22. Now number at the even places are 7 plus 8 plus 2 plus star equal to 7 plus 8, 15 plus 2, 17, 17 plus star. So 17 plus what equal to 22? So 17 plus 5 equal to 22. Answer should be 5. Because if both the answer will be same, then the difference can be 0. Answer should be 5. Ninth answer is B. 9, B. Come to the question number 10. Identify the least Roman number from the following. So to write the least Roman number, first write on value of all the Roman number in the Arabic number. So this is M 1000. M is 1000 plus D triple C. D stands for 500, triple C stands for 800. 300, 500 plus 300, 800 plus L triple X. So 50 and 30, 80 plus IX, 9. The number is 1889. Second is MCM. So M is 1000, CM is 900. C is subtracting from the M. L triple X. L triple X 80 plus X plus 1. So 1. Okay, 81 it is actually. So 1981. Next is MCM. 1000 plus CM means 900 plus XVII. It means 18. XVII 18. So it is 1918. MD. So 1000 plus D 500 plus L 50, X 60 and then 67. 1567. Next is CD. 1000 CD means 400. XC 90. IX 9. 1499. 1499. So which one is the smallest? Smallest is the 1499. That is in the MCD XCIX. That is in the option number B. MCD XCIX. Option B is the smallest one. So 10th answer is B. Come to 11. Which one of the following number is divisible by 77? So number is divisible by 77. It means that number is divisible by 7 and 11 both. That number should be divisible by 7 and 11 both. So first check with the 11. So for the dividing with the 11, we have to just count the number. We have to add the numbers at the odd places. 4 plus 3, 7, 1 plus 6, 7. Divisible by 11. 7, 1, 8, 8, 0, 8, divisible by 11. 4 plus 2, 6, 5 plus 1, 6, divisible by 11. 8 plus 3, 11, 7 plus 0, 7 plus 0, 7, not divisible by 11. D is not divisible by 11. That's why D is not divisible. That's why D is already rejected. Now we have three options, A, B and C. Now we will check which number is divisible by 7. The number which is divisible by 7, that number will be also divisible by 77. Okay, so option A, 3, 1, 4, 6. For the divisibility rule of 7, we just multiply the last place value with 2, 6 2s are 12, subtract from the rest, 4 minus 2, 2, 1 minus 1, 0, 3 as it is. Now multiply the last digit with 2, the 2 2s are 4, 30 minus 4, that is your 30 minus 4, that is your 26, not divisible by 7, rejected. Come to the option B, 1, 0, 1, 8, 7, 0. 1, 8, 7, 0. So 0 we don't calculate. 1, 8, 7. 7 multiply 2. 7 multiply 2. 14. 18 minus 14. That is your 4. Not divisible by 7. Now come to the option number C. 2, 5, 4, 1. Multiply the last place, 2, 5, 4 minus 2, it will be your 2, 5, 2. Multiply the last place, 2, 5 minus 4 and subtract from the rest, that is your 21. And 21 is divisible by 7. It means option C is divisible by 7. It is already divisible by 11 and it is also divisible by 7. It means it will be divisible by 77. So option number C is the correct answer. 11th answer is C. Come to the question number 12. Which among the following statement is false for Roman numeration? A symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. It is correct. Yes, any symbol cannot be repeated more than 3 times. If a symbol is repeated, its value is multiplied as many times as it occurs? No. Its numbers are added, not multiplied. Option B is not correct. So 12th answer will be B. 12th answer is B. Come to the 13th. The product of the place value of 2 sevens in this is. So what is the number? First copy the number. 4, 7, 8, 9, 7, 6, 5. The place value of the 7 I have to write. So this is 700 and this is 7 lakh. Multiply this 2, 7 sevens are 49 and write all the zeros. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Add all the number of zeros. Then write how many zeros are there? 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7 zeros. On 49 there should be 7 zeros. Where it is? 3 zeros and then 3 zeros and 1 zero, 4, 7 zeros. Chicken. 13th answer will be C. 13, C. 14. A whole number is added to 69 and the same number is subtracted from 69. Find the sum of the resulting number. A whole number. Suppose that whole number is x. Okay. And that is added to 69 plus x and it is subtracted from 69. So 69 minus x. What is the sum of these two numbers? Add both of them. X plus x and minus x. 0. 69 plus 69. 9, 9, 18. Carry 1. 6, 6, 12 plus 1, 13. So answer should be plus or minus. Anything you can write here. 138. That is in the option number C. The 14th answer will be option C. Okay. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.